Blueprint for Early Literacy does just what its name says. It provides teachers with a detailed set of plans for delivering excellent early literacy instruction. Packed with authentic reading and writing experiences and engaging, purposeful play, this curriculum will help teachers create a high-interest, literate, and vibrant classroom community. In Blueprint, early literacy skills, concepts, and behaviors are taught in the context of 10 related monthly themes. Model lesson plans help teachers make each book a launching pad for teaching essential early literacy skills. In addition to helping children develop emerging reading and writing skills, Blueprint builds capacity in teachers. That's why, in our curriculum, we built in varying levels of teacher support in each of our lessons. The objectives and general teacher moves for the veteran, and scripted teacher language and related activities for the new teacher. By strengthening their knowledge of early literacy skills and concepts, and supporting their implementation of key literacy practices, Blueprint serves as a professional development resource that will benefit teachers' continued growth. We hope our curriculum sparks children's love of reading and writing, gives them tools to understand and participate in reading and writing, and support them as they build their own identities as readers and writers.